crochet lovers, welcome to ABC All About Crochet. So in today's tutorial we will going to learn this very easy, very simple and very beautiful mobile charging holder in which you can keep your mobile inside and hang it for charging, so that no more mobile breakage while it fall down when it gets ring and it is kept on charging. So let's start. It's a very easy pattern. So for this I'm going to use cotton and silk blend macrame thread of cream color and maroon color. We will need a pair of scissors, a crochet hook of size, I am using here 1.75, and a ring to hold your charger, tapestry needle, and we'll also use some beads as well. So let's start with our work. Very first thing is we will work inside this ring. Okay, so I'm going to hold my ring and my thread under it, and I'll pull up the yarn and make a slip stitch here. Like this. Now I'll keep holding this until it gets height, and I'll make single crochets inside it. Now we have to initially count the single crochet here. So I'll be counting 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 22. Now I'm going to make one double crochet here because we have to make the corners. So one double crochet, 2 chains and one double crochet. So this would be counting as the 23rd stitch here. And now likewise again I'll make 22 single crochets. After 22 single crochets I'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, then 22 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, and finally 22 chains, 1 double crochet and 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Then we will complete this round by putting a slip stitch on the very first single crochet which we have made at the start. So I'll complete till here and we'll complete this round together. So I'll see you after that. Okay, so here I'm completing my final 22nd single crochet, and now 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. I'm going to make a slip stitch on the very first single crochet which we have made at the start, like this, and you have to adjust these stitches accordingly. If you have a bigger size of ring, you have to adjust your stitches accordingly, but you have to make these 4 corners because we have to make it in a rectangle downwards in the falling design. Okay, now after slip stitch I am going to make 1 chain up and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Now I'll keep making 1 single crochet in each 22 stitches around, and in the corner I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet, then all single crochets, 22 single crochets, then 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Likewise I'll complete this round. So let's do it together and I'll see you after that. Okay, so here I've completed finally the ring, the square of the ring part. Now I am going to turn my work and I'll reach to this corner, the nearest corner, through slip stitch. So I'll make my first slip stitch in the first double crochet, and my second slip stitch in the second double crochet. And now these two double crochets from this side and these two double crochets from this side, the first double crochets from the first two double crochets from this side, and 22 single crochets in between. So overall we will make 24 double crochets now. So we'll make chain 3 up, 1 2 3, and turn our work. These chain 3 will be our first double crochet. Now we have to make double crochet. So 1 2 3 4, oops, I missed one, 4 5 6, and likewise I'll come and complete this row with 2 double crochets in the very first 2 double crochets from the bottom row here. I'll complete this round and I'll see you after that. Till then, keep crocheting along with me. Okay, so here I've completed the row of double crochets here, and now I am going to make chain 3 once again, 1 2 and 3, and turn my work, and from here onwards I'll start with the pattern, which is this pattern. From here onward we have completed this part. Now we will start with this part, which is actually this part from here, and then we will not make it long and we will fold it. I'll make another piece of this size of, or you can make it as long as you want, or as per the size of your mobile. So I have made this as per the size of mobile. Now after this I'm going to turn my work, and in the very next double crochet from the bottom row I'll make 1 double crochet here like this, then chain 1, and skipping 1 double crochet from the bottom row, in the next stitch I'll make 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. This is a very easy pattern. You will going to enjoy making this, or you can use this pattern in your bags or in your shawls as well, especially in your shawls or in your top pattern if you're making tops or frocks or dresses. Again, 1 chain, skipping 1 stitch from bottom, in the 2 double crochets make 2 double crochets here from the bottom row like this. So I hope this is visible enough. Today there's some light issues. Okay, so I'll complete this row till here and I'll see you after that. So here I've completed rows of double crochet, and I've made 9 pairs of 2 double crochets with a gap of 1 chain stitch. Now I'll make chain 1 or turning chain 1 and turn my work, and in this very first stitch here I'll make a single crochet, and now I'll make single crochets in every stitch around. So single crochets on the 2 double crochets, 1 2, single crochet in between 1 chain which we have taken here. Again, single crochet on the double crochet from the bottom row, single crochet on the double crochet from the bottom row, single crochet in between the 1 chain gap, again single crochet on double crochet, single crochet on double crochet, single crochet in between the gap of 1 chain. So likewise I'll complete this row by making single crochet in each of the chain stitch from the bottom row, and after this again I'll make 3 turning chains, and then which will count as 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain with the gap of 1 chain from the bottom row, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch from the bottom row, then 2 double crochet in the two chain stitch, and after this you have to follow again this row with one single crochet row. So you have to keep repeating this until you get the desired size, desired length of your mobile. So I'll complete this as per the desired length of my mobile, and I'll see you after that. Till then, keep crocheting with me. Alright, so here I have completed my pattern here with 17 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 rows, 16, 17 rows. And I have also made one more patch of 17 rows with followed by one single crochet row to keep it on like this, so that I can put my mobile inside from this end. And the final part of our project is to sew this together with the help of... Alright, so we will start from any of the end you can start with, but I will start with the two extreme down corners from this side and on this side. I'll grab my opposite color yarn, which I have taken as maroon, and now I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 chains up, and then I'll insert my hook between these two double crochets, the very first double crochet which we have made. Like from this end it will be this double crochet and this double crochet. So here I'll insert my hook, pull up the yarn. I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'll make a double crochet here like this, and then I'll start making inside this double crochet. I'll start working by making a puff stitch, pulling up the yarn 1, pulling up the yarn 2, pulling up the yarn 3 times, and I'll pull the yarn through all the loops I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops like this. But I'll make a stitch up to lock this, and then I'll insert my hook in the next double crochet gaps here like this, and then again I'll insert the hook in this gap of double crochet, in this gap. So 3 times I'll pull up the yarn, 1, 2 and 3, and then pulling up the yarn through all the loops on my hook and locking it. One more time, I'll insert my hook in the next double crochet gap here, here, and make a double crochet. So it will start appearing like this. Inserting my hook inside this gap of double crochet and pulling up the yarn 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. And locking it with 1 stitch here. And then inserting again, making a double crochet inside the double crochet gap, taking both the patches together here, and this. So this will look like this. I will continue making it throughout like this, and here when you come here you just have to skip 2 stitches and insert your hook and make 1 double crochet the way you are doing it here. So all the way I'll make, you do not have to worry about the corners. It will be work out, because we don't want any corners now. We just want to make it in a rectangle shape. So I'll complete this, and after this I will going to put these flowers, attach these flowers. If you want to learn how to make these flowers, I will put a link in my description box. I've made a video about different type of flowers earlier. So let's complete this together, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so I have completed the entire border. As you can see, I've completed all around, and the final look is like this. And the last part, the very last thing in this project is, if you want to learn how to make flower now, so I have make one magic circle, and that I'll start by making chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then 2 double crochets inside, 1, 2, again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then a slip stitch. So this is okay, this would be my first petal. Likewise, I'll make 4 more, 1, 2 and 3 chains up, 2 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then a slip stitch. This is my second petal. Likewise, I'll make 3 more, and I'll stretch this yarn. I'll pull this yarn, and it will become a flower. Let me complete this, and I'll see you after that. So the flower looks like this, and I'll make 6 of them. So I can put these flowers, arrange these flowers, some 3 flowers, bunch of 3 flowers here on this corner and 3 flowers there, or you want to arrange them in the manner you want to, you like it. And if you want to put some other flowers, as I told you, I will give you link in the description box so that you can check out different types of flowers in that. So I have made 2, 3 of them, one in this pattern. Soon I'm going to make a video for this pattern. Do let me know in the comment with a yes if you want to learn this pattern, and the final look will be like this. So friends, this is a very easy project. Go ahead and try to make one. This is a very advantageous one as well, so that your mobiles while getting charged will not fall down. You can hang it inside it, and you can hang this in the adapter of your mobile. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you want to learn anything new in through my videos. So I'll try to make a video on that as well. I'll see you in the next project with some exciting and fun making thing. Till then, keep liking, sharing, subscribing my video, and keep crocheting. Happy crocheting. Thank you.